Hey guys, I haven't made a video in a long time. Thought I'd do a quick one for something I couldn't find instructions on online. My son's got a VW Volkswagen Golf Mark 4 2001. Pretty old car, plastics are wearing out, and what we found with his car, the center console, which is this bit here, this is actually out of another car, a wrecked car, where I went to the wreckers and got some spare parts. The center console, the armrest bit, you can see here the clip is broken. So what I wanted to do is use his armrest, which is still pretty good, and replace it with the bracket I took off the old one. So the way to do it is, and the one that I got from the wrecker had a material cover like this, and basically you have to take this part off. As you can see, this is in good condition, and then swap it over. So you've got to take it off pretty carefully because it's attached with these clips, and I'll demonstrate on this other one. See if you can. Yep. So I've got some panel removal tools with snap-on, and effectively you just get the tool inside and try and unclip it, and you'll hear a noise like that. And don't panic, it's all good. And you just keep going around, and to the best get it undone. But it won't take too long. But do it carefully and not in a rush or forcefully, because you want to get it up. And you want to slide that bit forward, because there's clips along the bottom which slide into the back of the cover. So that's the one that I want to replace into the old frame. So I guess it's the reversal of the procedure, just clip it back in. And I've noticed as you undo it, some of the plastics actually seem to break. So anyway, let's hopefully stick this back. Oops, got about it the wrong way, sorry. It should reverse the procedure. Slide it in there and then clip it back the same way. There you go, all done. So I've got the cover that I want to keep with the new, well, not new, but the little lugs fixed so that the flap actually works. Thanks for watching.